speed was a better platform for me. I used to watch Bailey and Low videos and follow those PDFs. Whenever I find time, I used to go look back and try to read as much as possible and recall as much as possible, sir. Apart from that, GTs and doing MCQs on a regular basis, especially at the end, I think that has helped me very well, sir.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Lokesh for scoring a topmost rank of 186 in MCS Surgical Group in NEET SS session 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Great. I thank you for the time that you have spared for us to share your experiences with us and also the students watching this video.
Yes.
And can you know a brief background about yourself, where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. Sir, I did my MBBS in Kolar, sir, from a deemed university. And later on, I did my PG surgery in government Siddhartha Medical College, sir. It's in Andhra Pradesh. From there on, I secured a rank of 186 in my very direct attempt, sir. With just 1 month of my preparation, I was so confused that I would be getting this kind of rank. I never assumed this kind of rank is possible. It's all thanks to you, sir, and your team, sir. Especially you would be available at the right time, sir. When I'm in a doubtful state, you come up with all these master class and MCQs. And all I did in the last 1 month is I have given GTs day by day, sir, which you told that you have to do MCQs repetitively. That would fetch me a good rank. Yes.
Very nice, Doctor. I'm very happy for the way you achieved.
Yes, sir. I haven't followed any patterns like I have to read this. Although it is extensive, I haven't covered all the videos. But doing MCQs has really helped me at the end, sir.
Great, wonderful. What specialty you're interested in, Doctor?
Sir, it's mainly surgical gastroenterology, sir.
Can we know who inspired you to become a surgical gastroenterologist?
It's one of my friend's father is a surgical gastroenterologist. I was inspired from that.
Great, very good, very nice. Doctor, can you tell us the preparation strategy in detail? I mean what all you did so that you were able to achieve this one?
Yes, although the preparation is slightly disorganized, sir, but I used to watch these Bailey and Low videos and Saviston videos, especially from your part, sir, and a bit of neetss add-on, like the 25% extra edge information. I didn't watch all the videos, but I used to watch Bailey and Low videos and follow those PDFs. Whenever I find time, I used to go look back and try to read as much as possible and recall as much as possible, sir. Apart from that, GTs and doing MCQs on a regular basis, especially at the end, I think that has helped me very well, sir. And all your motivation, sir. I still like remember those words. Have extreme self-belief. Don't put any limit. There is no time limit. All these keep. I keep recalling those words, golden words from you, sir. Especially those, yes, sir.
Great, Doctor. Number of questions you answered in this exam?
Sir, I attempted 143 questions, sir.
Can you share something about this paper? What do you feel about this paper?
The paper is not very tough, sir, but it's on a moderate edge. But the options are slightly confusing, sir. The question seems easy, but 1 to 2 options seems so confusing. You tend to drift between those 2 options, sir. As such, more of the questions are from CTVS, and even gastropart has been there. It's a quite equal share of questions, sir.
Okay, good. Now, yes. What is the message that you want to give for the future aspirants of MCA Super Speciality?
Never doubt yourself. If you have a dream, go achieve it. Like, be consistent, have that goal, and work for it.
Very nice, very nice. Yes. Doctor, who introduced speed to you? What was your experience with speed to this exam?
Speed. I myself researched a bit, and I came to know that Speed was a better platform for me, especially you being in the same surgical group. I was so much influenced by that, and I kind of took Speed directly, sir. There is,
So were you happy after taking speed now?
yeah, yes, sir. I'm very happy, sir.
Okay. So because this asks the question, because the team will be motivated to listening to your words.
Yes,
Okay. Now, um, whom I want to thank? I mean, the people who have supported you from day one till date, whom you feel that, okay, they supported me, can use this platform to thank all of them.
yes, sir. All uh, all of the Speed team, my parents, especially my dad and mom, my brother, and all my friends who have been a part of this. I would really love to thank them, sir.
We once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a great career in
Yes,
gastroenterology. Best wishes to you, doctor.
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.